Welcome to Birds Bakes Bits and Bobs, and in today's video we are going to be unboxing the Foodi Max 7-in-1 multi-cooker by Ninja. It can be used as an air fryer, pressure cooker and slow cooker, as well as being able to steam, sear, bake or grill food. Here it shows a test on how pressure cooking works and any extra accessories you can buy. Inside we have all the necessary paperwork, such as the instructional manual, any health and safety documents, and even a recipe book. The recipe book has many meals you can make using all the different functions of the multi-cooker, including some air frying recipes as well as some pressure cooking recipes. Here is one tier that can be used inside the multi-cooker. I must say, they certainly wrap the components of this multi-cooker really well. Being unwrapped here is the pressure cooker lid, which, as you guessed, would be used for when you pressure cook. This is an additional lid to the air crisping lid that's already attached to the multi-cooker. This is another rack that can be used with the air fryer. You just bend these legs into position, turn it the other way around, and then you place the other rack on top, so you've got two layers that can be used inside the air fryer. This is the multi-cooker itself. On the front you've got the control panel where you can select the temperature or the time that you want for something to take, and all the multiple functions that it has. Opening up, here's the crisping lid, which stays attached to the multi-cooker, and you'd use the pressure cooker lid inside this. Inside here we have the air frying basket. Now this is great to have all these little gaps at the bottom, so it means that any fats and oils can just drip through. I call this part the cooking bowl because you use this for every one of the functions of this multi-cooker. And what's nice is you have this measuring scale here to know how much liquid is currently in your bowl. The tier rack that was shown earlier is what goes inside this cooking pot as well when using the air fryer. And that's the Foodi Max 7-in-1 multi-cooker by Ninja, all unboxed. I hope to make some more videos on how we use this device, so if you'd like to see that, please don't forget to subscribe, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a like. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this.